Okay, for the last video segment, I showed you how to put on the mesh part of the collection tube. There's two other parts to the collection tube. One is this middle part that prevents it from getting sucked into from falling down into the extension tube, and I'll show you that in a second. And so this is basically the end part of the bug vac. It's open. This is where the pollinators will go in and out. Once you've collected your sample, these same orange caps that I use for the one end can be used to cap the other end once you've collected your bees. And here I've just taken a number 8 bolt. In this case, I think 1 1/4. I think anything 1 inch or 1 1/4 is perfect. You put a nut and a washer on one side, and a nut and a washer on the inside, and they're great for just for capping them and then putting them in a freezer or a kill jar if you have or a kill bag, whatever you have. Now, so this is the extension tube, and when you set your collection tube into the extension tube, you just want this middle part to be thick enough so that it stops it from going all the way in. And then when you're ready to collect the insects, you open it up. Now this is simply just another cap part that I've cut it in half, and I've slid it down over the collection tube. And depending upon the duct tape that you use, if it's really thin duct tape, you might have to go around it 3 times. If it's really heavy duct tape, you may have to go around it 1 time. But this is important for preventing it from getting sucked all the way to the bottom of the extension tube. And there you have your complete collection tube design, part of your bug vac.